Hello, Academy of Arts and Sciences learning coaches and scholars. This is Stephen Thompson, your K-5 coordinator, and I'm here to talk to you about the Hour of Code. And parents, I want you to know that we currently live in a world that is surrounded by technology. And we know that whatever field our scholars choose to go into as adults, their ability to succeed will increasingly depend on understanding how technology works. But you know what? Only a fraction of our scholars are actually learning how technology works. And fewer than half of all schools teach computer science. That's why our entire school is joining in on the largest learning event in history, the Hour of Code, during Computer Science Education Week, which is December 5th through the 11th. More than 100 million scholars worldwide have already tried an Hour of Code. Now, our Hour of Code is making a statement that the Academy of Arts and Sciences is ready to teach those foundational 21st century skills. To continue bringing programming activities to your scholars, we want to make our Hour of Code event huge. And what I'm going to do during the next few minutes is teach you how to actually go about hosting an Hour of Code in your own house, because you are the learning coach, so you can take time out during the next week to do an Hour of Code. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to walk you through a tutorial on how you can participate in the Hour of Code by doing an Hour of Code with your scholar in your home. So there's two resources that I'm going to take you to in order to complete the Hour of Code. And we're going to go to those right now. The first one is we're going to go to this website, and it is called simply hourofcode.com. And the Hour of Code talks about what the Hour of Code is. If you scroll down, it tells you that the Hour of Code is a global movement reaching tens of millions of students in 180 plus countries. And anyone, anywhere can organize an Hour of Code event. So 1-hour tutorials are available in over 45 languages, and no experience is needed, ages 4 to 104. Now, the great thing about this is that since you are at home and we are a virtual school, you can pick any hour during December 5th through December 11th to do your own Hour of Code in your own home with your scholars. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to this How-To button. We're going to click that. It's going to bring up this how-to video. Want all of the learning coaches to watch this Hour of Code video. You can go ahead and watch that. It's going to tell you how to run an Hour of Code in your home. After that, we're going to go to activities. Great thing about this is now you see the activities, and the activities go all the way from your pre-reader up to 9th grade and plus. And the great thing about this is you can sort these by your educator experience, by your student experience, classroom technology, topics, activity, length, and so on down. You can see that on the side. Now, here's what you can do. Let's just say, for instance, you are at home with your scholar. You can scroll through this list, and let's just pick Minecraft, because my son loves Minecraft. He's in grade 2, and I'm going to do this with him later on. So what you do is you click Minecraft. Now, great thing here is you are going to be the teacher. So why don't you click Teacher Notes? Once you click Teacher Notes, it's going to give you directions on how you, the learning coach, can help your scholar to complete this Minecraft activity. And what you want to do is you're going to watch this yourself, and then it's going to have for you, after you watch it, there's your lesson plan. So you're going to click your lesson plan, you're going to open it up, and then you as a learning coach, there you go. You can go ahead and read this before the Hour of Code. You can prepare it for your learning coach, for your scholar, and you right there have your guide to teach your lesson. And what's also good about this is that you go back and you are going to be able to, inside of the teacher notes, once you do the how-to, you're going to be able to have an answer sheet and tips on how to do this. So this is going to be, I would take some time as a learning coach to go through this for yourself before you do it with your scholar, and then it will help you as a learning coach be able to facilitate the activity. So that's one way to do it, this Hour of Code website. The next one we want to look at is called Tinker. Now, a preface ahead of time, Tinker is doing Hour of Code. Tinker is a paid service, but they have a free account for the Hour of Code. So no way, shape, or form am I working for Tinker or they're giving me anything for promoting this. It's just a great website that has free activities for you to use, and it's pretty self-explanatory. So when you're on this Tinker Hour of Code website, what you're going to do is you see these are divided into grades, grades 2, grades 3 through 5, grades 6 plus. What you do here is, because you are the teacher at home, you're going to click Teacher Guide. And the Teacher Guide comes up. We're going to scroll down here, and here's your lesson plans. Now, this is great. So before you start this, you can decide, okay, I'm going to do some prep. I'm going to figure out how to do this for my scholar, and then we're going to do it together. So what I'm going to do here, let's just say you have a kindergarten through 4th grader. Okay, so we're going to look here at Candy Quest. So you as the learning coach, first thing you want to do is click the teacher guide. There it is. Look at that. You have your lesson plan. A complete lesson plan walks you through the steps on how to do the lessons. And then once you finish the lessons, you will have the option of signing up and getting a certificate if you'd like. And then if you wanted to go straight into the lesson, it's going to tell you how to do this. So you can go ahead and do all of these things. And you notice this is what your scholar will be able to do. Build their little character as they go along. Look, it's kind of fun. They're putting their character together. And then there's actions that you can make your character do here on the side. And then your scholar will start the game. And then once they start the game, now your scholar is actually coding, and they're actually building a game themselves. So this has an option for you to log in or not log in. You don't have to create an account to do the activities. So that's a great thing about it. So again, in closing, 2 sites you can go to, hourofcode.com. That's going to teach you all about the Hour of Code, and it gives you a whole lot of websites and activities you can be doing there. Another resource is tinker.com. That is a paid one, but it also has free activities for you to do as well. Also, if you want to go beyond Hour of Code and your child really loves to be able to do that, well, there's a whole list of activities and classes that you can find, more online tutorials to teach computer programming right here. We have code.org, Khan Academy, Lightbot, Learn Python programming, Hopscotch programming on your iPad, even Harvard classes, university courses online, HTML. Over the summer, I took an HTML class, and I really enjoy it because I enjoy technology. But really what you want to do is, so now, a lot of parents give their scholars, their devices to use in the car when they're going somewhere. Now you can show your scholar actually how these things are done. Coding is a great skill. It takes a lot of math involved. It's language arts, it's vocabulary, it's creative. Like, again, it is a growing 21st century skill. And you know what? You as a learning coach, me as an educator, really feel good about promoting that skill. So go ahead and try Hour of Code this week. Pick an hour between December 5th and December 11th. Go ahead and contact your teacher. Contact myself. Feel free to share out whatever you make on Twitter or Facebook or Instagram. Email to me, email to your teacher. We'll share those out as well. Any questions you have, go ahead and feel free to send it to us. But we look forward to everybody participating in the Hour of Code. Unleash that creativity, and let's see what our scholars can do. Thank you.